Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. And welcome back to another episode of the Falloween Spooktacular 2024 series that I am co-hosting with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. In today's video, I have a fun design team project that I've created for ASC Craft Supplies. I will also announce the winner of our third prize, and then last but not least, I will announce another question which presents another opportunity for you to win fun prizes. Now, today was technically supposed to be the last day of the Falloween series. However, I did miss a few days in October, so I'm going to extend it a bit so that I can create additional projects, and yes, I will be giving away another fun prize. So that makes 4 winners for the Falloween Spooktacular series. In front of you, I have 3 fun fall candy corn gift boxes. And I went in my craft stash and I dug out some of my older fall collections because I wanted to use them up. For the first box, I used the Prima Pumpkin and Spice paper collection, which came out a few years ago. In the center, we have the Graphic 45 Let It Be collection. And then on the right, I have the Mintay Golden Days collection. So I'm going to clear off my desktop so that I can review each of these one by one. This is the first fall candy corn box that I've created. I love the way this turned out. As I mentioned earlier, this paper is by Prima. It's the Pumpkin and Spice paper collection. The box measures 3 3/4 wide. The height is 5.5 inches wide and the depth is 2 inches. So I think this makes a wonderful gift for Thanksgiving. You can put it on your Thanksgiving table and it'll be wonderful place settings, and you can include a pair of socks or other special gifts inside. Now let me give you a closer look. On the top here, I have these fun pumpkins that I've fussy cut. We've got green and orange. There's a little bird on the top that's poking its head out. We've got a pink little pumpkin. I've adorned it with this cute little butterfly here. And then I have made these beautiful flowers using an SVG file. And then I've also added in these fun little curly cues. I love these. I think this just adds so much fun and dimension to the project. And in the center, I finished it off with this pearl rhinestone. And on the bottom, it says Cozy Fall. Now, if I turn it to the side, you can see that I have 3 different papers. So this box is very easy to put together. You have the bottom box, and you have the top box, which is this entire portion, and then you have a little belly band to wrap around, which gives you this different paper here. So as you can see, I've outlined it with this copper foil paper and then lined it with these beautiful pearls. And here is another look at the back. So let me show you the inside. So as you can see, you have this entire area to include a gift. When I created this project, I cut them out only in the designer paper. However, I wanted to make them more sturdy, so I cut out an additional top and bottom, and then I cut each piece individually, trimmed them down slightly, and then glued them inside. So here you can see I have 110-pound craft cardstock in the base, and then also in the top of the box, and this is very sturdy. This is my second gift box. I love the way this turned out. The paper collection that I used is Graphic 45 Let It Be. In the center, we've got these beautiful sunflowers. I have adorned it with these fun little curly cues. On the side here, you can see this adorable little rhinestone bumblebee. Isn't that adorable? And then on the bottom, I have a little sentiment that says, "Hello, sunshine." This is the side. On the bottom, we've got this black paper with the beautiful sunflowers. In the center, I've used this yellow belly band, and then I've adorned it with green bands, and then these hints of golden gemstones, and the top part of the box is red. And this is the back. I just love the way these boxes turned out. And the beautiful thing about this is if you put this on your table, it looks beautiful from both the front as well as the back. And for the inside of this box, I used 110-pound heavyweight cardstock to line the box. This is my final fall candy corn gift box. Now I did this one slightly different from the others. I have the flowers on the bottom of the box. I love the color combination here. For this paper I use the Mintay Golden Days, and we've got this beautiful flower that's in this blue stripe with brown. We've got this fun little burlap flower here. Again, I made the little curly cues in this copper paper. It says give thanks, and then I used more of this golden rhinestone. This is the side, so we've got the dark brown base here, this beautiful floral print and stripes on the top. And this is the back. And again, on the inside, I line this with 110-pound craft cardstock to make it sturdier. Here's another look at my fall candy corn boxes. I just love the way these turned out. These are extremely versatile. They're very easy to make, and you can use them for Halloween if you use traditional Halloween colors, or you can use them for fall, and I think they will make perfect additions to your Thanksgiving table. Now that I've given you an overview of these boxes, we're going to select the winner for our third giveaway prize, but before I do that, let me show you what prize I'm going to be giving. These are the items included in my third giveaway prize. I have these adorable little pocket tags. Here we've got the cute little kitty cat, we've got a jack-o'-lantern, we've got a witch's broom, and in the center we have this cute little coffin that says trick or treat. I have another fun tag with the crow on the pumpkin, this cute little flower, and inside this cute little coffin with a spider. I'm also including this tag of spider bows. We've got 3 bows here, and it has double layers. We've got this cute little gemstone spider, and in the back you can see the spider web that's cut out in black glitter. I am giving this card which says Halloween. Now this is part of the SCRAPDIVADESIGNS release in September. I love the way this card turned out. It's 3-dimensional. All of this is popped up on foam tape. We've got this cute little trick-or-treater here with a jack-o'-lantern and a little black cat. And last but not least, I'm giving away this candy corn shaker box. Now, as you can see, this has a very different shape from the fall candy corn boxes that I just showed you. On the front, we've got a beautiful shaker element here. You can see all these fun sequins. I fussy cut the sentiment that says boo. We've got this cute little black rosette, this little black cat. We've got a ghost here, and we have double layered bows. This is the side. I have it decorated with this black rhinestone, and this is the back. And inside, we've got this large space to include Halloween socks or other fun goodies. So let's see who our lucky winner is. Yay! Congratulations to Happy Mail Magic, Erica Mirez. Once again, that's Happy Mail Magic, Erica Mirez. Congratulations. Erica, please be sure to claim your prize by this Saturday, November 2nd. Please send an email to the email address listed below. Please provide your name, your email address as well as your mailing address so that I can ship your package. Congratulations once again. Now for our fourth giveaway question. Tell me, what is your favorite Thanksgiving dish? Once again, what is your favorite Thanksgiving dish? If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, that's okay. Tell me what your favorite holiday dish is. This concludes my video. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please join me next week for another episode of the Falloween Spooktacular series. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy Halloween.